Hi everyone, this is Junko. Today I'm making chunky chocolate chip bites. Say that 10 times. But anyway, these are so good, and this happens to be gluten-free and vegan and also keto friendly. And I just made them yesterday and shared with my friends. They are not on a special diet and they just loved it. So this bites are for everybody. And it comes out nice and crunchy outside and then soft and inside. So I hope you'll give it a try.
First, we're mixing up wet ingredients. And add dry ingredients. Mix up all the ingredients until they're nice and moist. Take a tablespoon of mixture and make it into a ball. You can make about 20 to 22 bites with this recipe. Make sure they're completely cooled off before you enjoy them.
Here they are, chunky chocolate chip bites. And I put them in a nice can like this. And then I'm actually going to give this to a special friend. The recipe is listed below. And do not forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.